Does numpy.where always output the indices in an ascending order? I have a 1D Boolean array A, for example. I want to use numpy.where to find the indices of the true elements. Can I assume that the output id is always sorted in an ascending order? Does numpy.where guarantee that? I am asking this question because the document does not say anything about it, and the numpy.where is written in C, which is not obvious to tell how it works.
If absolute maximum speed is not of utmost importance, you can simply code out your assumption explicitly. That said, np.non-zero-a is guaranteed to give the indices in order as per the documentation. It's just slightly less explicit than the above, but will be faster.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.